Hi, I'm KJ McCorry, President of Efficiency, and I have some tips for you to manage the daily deluge of information. Tip 1. Be consistent with your file systems. No matter what form the data's in, paper, email, or electronic documents, ideally it's going to be beneficial to have parallel file structures with one another. Using this approach in all your information systems will keep everything organized in the long run. That in turn simplifies also filing and retrieving information no matter where the data is stored. Tip 2. Free yourself from clutter. Do you really need all that information that you keep? We only use 20% of the information that we have. Begin to ask yourself, do you really need everything? Free yourself from that data clutter and purge paper, email, and electronic documents regularly. Tip 3. Request documents electronically. Often our colleagues will put on our desktop or our inbox a hard copy of a document. This is sometimes just based on habit, or simply they think that you might like it better in that format. Ask your colleagues instead to send you all information to you electronically or via email. Then you can decide if you need to print it or how the other form that you would like to keep it in. Also, ask your vendors to do the same thing and send information and statements, and receive everything as electronic as you can. Tip 4. Consider scanning. In order to free yourself up from filing space, you may want to consider scanning documents into an electronic form. This solution is useful for storing historical documents that you no longer access, articles or documents that are not in electronic form, or to collect a series of paper documentation into a single electronic document. Beyond creating more file space, scanning also allows documentation to be readily accessible from your desktop rather than standing up and walking to a filing cabinet. In the long run, it's going to save you time and be more productive. Thanks. I hope these tips were helpful to you.